Subscribe to D2P Auto Parts for practical UK car tips and reliable aftermarket parts. UK drivers, winter doesn't just make driving uncomfortable, it silently damages your car. Cold temperatures, wet roads, and stop-start traffic put extra stress on key components, and many drivers don't notice until something fails. In winter, engine oil thickens, making cold starts harder and increasing engine wear. Tire pressure drops as temperatures fall, reducing grip and increasing braking distance on wet roads. Batteries lose power in cold weather, especially if you only drive short journeys. Brake pads and discs wear faster due to moisture, corrosion, and constant braking in traffic. Wiper blades struggle to clear rain and road grime, reducing visibility at night. Ignoring these issues leads to breakdowns, MOT failures, and expensive repairs. Simple winter checks can prevent most problems. Check tire pressure weekly. Test battery health before it fails. Inspect brakes for noise or vibration. Replace worn wiper blades. And make sure fluids are winter ready. Winter car care isn't about comfort, it's about safety. Prepare early, drive smarter, and stay safe on UK roads this winter.